MOA, a comprehensive guide to starting as a freelancer. Freelancing offers flexibility and independence, allowing you to work on your terms. Here's a concise guide to kickstart your freelancing journey effectively. 1. What is freelancing? Freelancers work on projects without long-term employer commitments. It offers control over your schedule and spans fields like writing, design, and programming. For example, you can balance freelancing with personal commitments while choosing clients and projects. 2. Identify your strengths. Assess your skills, such as writing, coding, or designing, and focus on those in demand. For instance, writers can specialize in blogging or copywriting. Enhance your abilities through online courses on platforms like Udemy. 3. Create a portfolio. Showcase your work to attract clients. Use platforms like Medium for writing or Behance for design. For example, a designer can display mock logos online to build credibility. 4. Join freelancing websites. Sign up on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr to find clients. Tailor your profiles and create clear service offerings. For instance, offer logo design within 24 hours as a specific gig on Fiverr. 5. Set competitive rates. Research rates in your niche and start with affordable pricing to gain experience. For example, if others charge $20 per hour, begin at $15 and raise rates as you build credibility. 6. Craft a professional profile. Write an engaging profile that highlights your skills. Include a professional photo and a headline like SEO specialist and content writer. Display your portfolio prominently. 7. Build your network. Engage on LinkedIn, Reddit, and Facebook groups. Share work and participate in discussions to find opportunities. For example, networking on LinkedIn about marketing could lead to new projects. 8. Deliver excellent work. Meet deadlines, communicate effectively, and exceed client expectations. For example, deliver well-researched blog posts free of errors to ensure repeat business. 9. Secure payments safely. Use reliable methods like PayPal or escrow systems on freelancing platforms. Avoid working outside these systems unless you trust the client fully. 10. Stay consistent. Dedicate time daily to improving skills, applying for projects, and networking. For instance, learn tools like Canva or SEMrush to enhance your expertise. Freelancing requires persistence and effort. By following these steps and refining your skills, you can build a successful and flexible career.
Like, share, and subscribe for more.